Everyone, my name is Pratik and I'm right now sitting out of Ashur Andheri Clinic. And as you can see, I've got nice hair grown up, and these are not the ones that I had. This is the result of the transplant that I did about 4 months back. I'm still in the growing phase, and but as you can see, the result is good. So I would definitely recommend Ashur for hair transplantation. The the services that they provide and the instruments that they have, plus the doctors are pretty nice. They have been very informative from day one, and throughout the process, they have been very much transparent of how things will happen, and they have been very accommodating as well. So I'm really happy, and I would recommend everyone to come and do the hair transplant if they need it. Thank you.